case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The core issue that led to this legal battle was a knee injury Lewis sustained while working for Penn Central Railroad, and the aggravation of a pre-existing psychiatric condition that prevented his return to work. Lewis claimed the brake wheel on a car he was operating failed, forcing him to jump off the car to avoid further injury. The plaintiff argued that Penn Central Railroad failed to properly maintain its equipment, ultimately causing his injury. The lower court, ruling in favor of Penn Central, decided there had been no error in admitting accident reports into evidence. These records, compiled by the railroad in compliance with its regular procedures, qualified as business records under the Federal Business Records Act. The court contended these reports were invaluable for identifying and rectifying any equipment defects to avert future mishaps. Consequently, they accepted the reports into evidence, a decision Lewis challenged in his appeal. Lewis's appeal primarily took issue with these accident reports and the initial instructions given to the jury. He claimed the jury was incorrectly guided to infer that if the brake was operating properly before the accident, it must not have been malfunctioning at the time of his accident. The court, however, disagreed, stating the trial judge's instructions were justifiable. Lewis had also claimed his credibility was negatively affected by a question on his employment application about a psychiatric disorder. The court found this argument lacking and ruled the lower court did not err in instructing the jury to consider this statement when assessing his credibility. The final decision of the Court of Appeals was in favor of Penn Central Railroad. The plethora of evidence combined with the plaintiff's insufficient arguments left the court with no choice but to affirm the lower court's decision. Lewis's traumatic knee injury and subsequent legal battle underscore the complexities of assigning liability in workplace accidents.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.